Home ownership plays a key role in each individual's life cycle, an aspiration that is achieved bit by bit. Rising disposable income is directly correlated with increase in the housing demand. What if there was a way to benefit from this purchase? The rise in per capita income from $2,400 to $3,500 would be a key trigger for the increase in home ownership in India. The sector currently has higher demand than supply and a very strong sales velocity. This has resulted in a record low inventory across the markets. The booking value in the residential real estate has seen tremendous growth. This surge is attributed to pent-up demand and a revival of the luxury and premium segments due to increased demand for bigger houses. Post-COVID, a sharp rise in rentals across cities after the end of work from home, favoring outright purchase over renting. The sector is also witnessing a premiumization trend where we see an increased demand for bigger and bigger houses. High savings rate and healthy wealth creation at mid-top levels of the pyramid are driving demand for higher ticket size homes. The introduction of Rera acted as a cleanup of property and the housing sector and has been successful in instilling confidence in the customers. Also, the listed developers witnessed a sharp growth owing to consolidation driven by Rera and limited lending in the industry. The Tata Nifty Realty Index fund seeks to replicate the Nifty Realty Index. Consisting of 10 stocks, the index is designed to reflect the behavior and performance of the companies that are engaged into the construction of residential and commercial real estate properties. Invest in real estate, invest in real opportunities. Thank you.
NFO opens on 8th April 2024. NFO closes on 22nd April 2024. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.